One of your
It's a
comrades
gun.
asking too many questions. I had to solder up his little mouth.
Wow, he is just going for it. Wait, didn't I leave my gun in the car?
Hands on your head, pig. I ain't got time to be playing around with you.
Alright, I'm ditching the mouse pad right now.
Sight and finish you off.
I'm gonna kill you like I kill all the other cops. I've got experience in this killing cop thing. Have a fucking... Wow, you really suck at your job. Oh no, not my glasses. I can't kill you without my... Oh shit! I just kicked my real life glasses over the fucking shit. Oh, my stomach. Hang on. I need these. Okay. Alright. Time back in. This is the stupidest shit ever. Ooh, get ready for this. What even happened there? Go for the gun. Go for the gun. Oh my god, everybody's... Just shoot him. Just fucking shoot him. He's gonna pull some bullshit. Just fucking shoot him.
Enough fucking around. You're gonna tell me about the man with the blue car.
Go fuck yourself in the ass.
Shoot him. Hit. Bitch.
Broke my fucking nose, pig.
Yeah, well, it was
Next, I'm gonna
self-defense.
blow a hole in your face. Spill all of it.
You do not sound tough.
You don't scare me.
Alright, just hit him and just keep kicking the shit out of him. And press. Sure.
Damn! You out of your motherfucking
I'm
mind?
fucking crazy.
Shit, Jack. Ain't nothing to it. Just a little bit of self-defense. Page 1 of the police manual. Kill or be killed.
Whoa, stop, enough.
Shoot him anyways.
I'm starting to remember some things. You be cool, I'll tell
No,
you the
hit him.
deal. No, I don't know nothing about the guy. He wanted me to get rid of his dirty car, get him a new one with false plates. He paid cash, and I ain't the questioning kind. Said I was supposed to drop the word to a guy named Paco down at the Blue Lagoon. When the
I'm
car
looking
was-
for MF
That's
Doom.
all I know.
We'll continue this discussion down at the station. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything...
Do you have any drugs on you?
Shit, not now. Anything you say can and will be...
Hey,
You look like you got a problem, man.
Shoot the gun, Jaden. Shoot the gun, Jaden. It can still count as self-defense, Jaden. Just kill him. Are you good?
Turn around.
What the fuck is happening here? Did I win? I think I won. Okay, I won. Alright, easy fucking game. Scott Shelby. I'm looking for Paco. What even happened last? So they saw Manfred die and were like, fuck it. Let's go home. And then Scott was like, damn it. This is too much. But then he was like, damn it. It's not enough.
That makes sense. Didn't want him spilling his guts to us.
So instead he spilled his guts.
Right?
Oh, him or one of his men. Gordy has the time and the means, not to mention the fucked up attitude to go along with it.
I'm gonna try every
He's
seat in
a
this
suspect,
house.
But he's a pretty guilty looking one.
No, this also isn't
on the
bad.
case?
Yeah, I've been working on him for a couple of years. I built up a mountain of paperwork.
Magazines about origami? You think the killer could have subscribed to one of those?
If he was even remotely interested in origami in the last 30 years, his name may be in there somewhere. Trouble is, there's over 500 names. That gets us squat.
I'm starving. Do you have anything to eat?
Well, I'm no chef, but I should be able to make some scrambled eggs if you like.
Great. I'm soaking wet. I need to warm up a little. Is it okay if I take a shower?
Be my guest. Go to my bedroom, it's the next door. Oh, I'll cook up the eggs while you're under the shower.
Under. Ah, thank God it's labeled fridge. Two of them. Two of us. It's all a little too convenient.
The skillet. Should be near the sink.
Crack it. Crack a bottle. Let your body bottle. Gross. What the fuck? Did I fuck it up? I fucked it up, apparently. There. There we go. Now it's okay, it's just eggs already. Sure.
Poor Manfred. We'd just been toast in the old days. Didn't bring him much luck.
He's fucking dead now.
Hope I didn't leave any prints in Manfred's shop. The last thing I need is to have to start explaining things to the cops.
Fucking pigs. All cops are bastards. That's what my mom always used to say.
Some nerve, that girl. Some nerve.
Okay. Asking me to take a shower in my shower. I can hardly believe it.
Eggs should be ready by now. Eggs should be ready by now.
Oh, can I keep doing? Oh, I can't. Eggs should be ready by now. Eggs should be ready. I'm trying to open this door, but the door won't open. Get that shit. Wow, flop. Nice. I'm gonna go see her naked. Wow, just help yourself to my
Take the
fucking
liberty
robe.
of borrowing your bathrobe.
Looks better on you.
Fucking camera. Fucking look at this Scott Shelby wobble.
Hey, that almost looks good enough to eat.
What's that?
The notebook I took from Manfred's place.
Would you fucking thief?
According to this, about 30 clients bought spare parts for Royal machines in the last 10 years. The killer may be one of them.
Oh, you know, checking out the alibi of 30 clients one by one. That's a lot of legwork.
Except that if we cross-check them with the list. The list of subscribers to Origami magazines. You still got that, right?
Yeah, I've got... Lauren, wait.
She left the eggs. How could she?